Here's a little update on the air compressor. I used these Excel wires when I had the HEI distributor in, and I cut the ends off and put ends that goes on that cap. Now these four black wires, I'm just going to leave them on there as ground. I don't think it hurts anything. But I got these wire done, and I'll start it up for you and let you hear it. I had it running for a little bit, so it's at operating temperature. It's at 160 degrees, and when it's running, the fuel pressure gauge shows at 9 pounds of fuel pressure. Right at 9 pounds of fuel pressure, right there. So let me start it up for you. Just hang on a minute. Alright, let me start it up real quick and let you hear it. Well, if you all like this video, be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and comment down below.